How to redeem lowest gift card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can redeem lowest gift card online. For this, you want to open up any web browser, then head over to lowest.com. Now on this website, you want to make sure to sign into your account. After that, you simply want to explore this website and add your favorite items in your cart. After you do that, click on this cart icon. Now you want to click on the Start Secure Checkout option. After this, on the next page, you will have to enter some information. First of all, enter the contact information such as email and phone number. You also want to enter your pickup details. After that, on the payment section, you will find different methods. Select your preferred payment method. Now you will have the Add Lowest Gift Card option. There, you want to enter the gift card number. After that, enter the PIN number. Now click on the Apply option. Now, if the gift card number and PIN number you've entered is accurate, the gift card is going to be applied. The maximum number of gift cards applied per order is 5. Now, once you have added the gift card, you can complete the rest of the process and then place your order, and in this way you can redeem the lowest gift card. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.